Hey everyone, this is my very first Telfar, so I want to just tell you guys how I feel about it and whether or not it's worth buying. So I'll start off by saying that this is the second time that I saw a collaboration with Telfar that I really liked, but I noticed a lot of negative comments online. So I was honestly scared to receive my bag, and you'll hear some of my commentary in a little bit. Alright, so y'all, my canvas looking a little crazy. So we're gonna pray that my bag wasn't just thrown in here. So the bag comes in a canvas bag that says Melissa and Telfar on it, since it's a collaboration. As soon as I opened the box, I smelled a plastic smell, and once I took the bag out of the canvas, the smell got stronger. I noticed in the comments online, every Melissa product comes with a bubblegum scent, and so at first I felt like I smelled that when I opened the box, and it wasn't that bad, but I'm letting you guys know that scent still lingers on. And I bought this bag in August, I believe, and it is now November, and it definitely will fill up a room. I don't remember jelly shoes smelling this strong, and it's made out of 100% PVC, so that's probably the reason that it smells that way. But I agree with the comments online that it was ultimately alarming, because the bag definitely smelled that way for a long time. It's still lingering on right now, so that's pretty crazy. Now I want to get into the size. So this is their medium, and again, back to the conversation about why I never purchased a Telfar before. I always felt like their bags were too big or too small. Like their small is too small, their medium is too big, and their large is oversized as well. But apparently for this particular collaboration, this is their first medium. You can call it a medium because it's a small and a medium, and it's the perfect size, you guys. Like this is the size that everybody's been waiting for. So it's sad that it came with the smell, and they also don't do refunds. So that was my first time seeing a luxury brand that doesn't offer refunds or anything like that, so that was surprising. So here's some reviews that are pretty much saying the same things that I just mentioned. At the end of the day, I chose to keep the bag. I saw some people fighting for refunds, but I chose to just keep it because I really love the color, and I thought that the scent would go away with time. Again, I still smell it a little bit till this day, so you know, that's something that definitely comes with this bag. But overall, I really love the color, and I'm eager to style it. I have it now, you know, so I like that there are grooves at the bottom so that you can sit the bag upright and it will stay up, and it has a good amount of weight to the bag, and just the overall shape of it and how it stays in place, I love that about it. The straps are definitely thick. Wasn't too upset about the straps. I know some people ended up cutting theirs off. As you can see, I was putting the straps inside the bag, and that's how you can hold it. Here's a look at the side of the bag. I'm so glad that I didn't have any glue residue there, because some people were complaining about that as well. So I was thankful for that. And just a tip, you guys, use a microfiber towel to wipe down the bag if you want to remove the coating. They said that there's some type of protective film on the bag, and that's the reason why it looks blurry. They were saying to use soap and water and a microfiber towel to clean it off. But let's be real, nobody wants to clean a bag that they just purchased, a luxury bag at that. So just to be clear, I don't think anyone should have to clean a bag that they just purchased. With all of that being said, once I finally wore the bag out, I saw how beautiful it was in the sunlight, so I really do love that. And after knowing there were no returns, cancellations, or exchanges, I just decided that I was gonna work with the bag and, you know, style it and honestly just enjoy it. So here's some footage of what fits inside my bag. I love that my MacBook Pro fits perfectly inside the bag, along with anything else I really needed. Here's a fan, and it's also a charger and a flashlight, my camera, some Lorve glasses, my phone, AirPods, all the necessities. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and share this video with a friend. Also, happy holidays to you all. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.